Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kireina. I want to make a fried rice. Ingredients: 2 cloves of garlic, 3 cloves of onions, 2 sausages, 1 plate of white rice, teaspoon of flavoring, teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of cooking oil, egg, tomato, cucumber. Thinly slice the garlic and onions.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a
Put
conversation,
oil into the pan and turn on the stove. After cooking oil is hot enough, put the garlic and onions. Stir all the materials until fragrant and ripe. Then put egg and sausage, scramble it until cooked.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one.
Now add 1 plate of white rice and stir it until mixed enough with all ingredients. Add salt, flavoring, and soy sauce.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, we won't have one. Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one.
After everything on the frying pan was fragrant, serve into the plate.
If you don't start a conversation, we won't have one.
You could decorate with the sliced tomatoes and cucumber to make your fried rice look interesting.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one.
Your fried rice is ready to serve.